Hello friends, today we are going to make veg paneer stuffed bun recipe and kids will love this as a breakfast. So we'll start the recipe. We'll see ingredients. For making bread dough, I shared the link in description. Sandwich bread recipe, you can see from there. So we'll make a dough first, and then for paneer masala we require 200 grams of paneer, half cup of chopped onion, 1 cup green peas, then half cup chopped cabbage, half cup chopped tomato, half cup French beans well chopped, and half cup chopped carrot. For spices we take 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, then 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder is half tablespoon, it's a garam masala half tablespoon, and coriander powder half tablespoon, and ginger garlic paste is half tablespoon, and tomato ketchup at the end we are going to add, it's a 2 tablespoon. Now switch on the gas, we'll add some oil to it and add cumin seed first to it, then saute and add onion, saute it quite well, and then we'll add turmeric to it, mix it well now. Add cabbage, so the rawness of cabbage will mix it well. Then we'll add all the spices, that coriander powder, garam masala and red chili powder. Mix it well, let's fry it. We'll add vegetable one by one. First add tomato to it, saute it, and then we'll add all the chopped vegetables. If you like more green vegetables, you can add as your choice. Now after adding all vegetables, we'll mix it and add some salt as per taste. Mix it properly. Then we'll add the last paneer, the main ingredient. Now mix it well. At the end we add the ginger garlic paste to it. We'll saute a little bit and now cover it with lid so it will be well cooked. After 5 minutes, almost nice aroma is going on, so it's almost ready. The one last step, we have to add tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. I have taken 2 tablespoons. If you like more, you can add it. And this is after adding, mix it well, and now our paneer masala is ready for stuffing. Let it cool down. Please see the link sandwich bread recipe in description box. You will get detailed information about how to make this bread dough. Now we'll cut this bread dough into 3 parts, 2 equal size and 1 is large size.
अर्धा डो घेतलेला आहे
So
आपण.
for small size we'll make chapati size bread, make it flat like a chapati.
चपाती सारखा लाटून घेणार आहोत आपण.
And the rest, the another one big bread dough is there. So we'll make it in rectangular form and place the masala stuffing in between. At the center we should place in like a line, and now we'll make roll of it. So make one fold to above the masala and just roll down. Now the end part, tuck it inside the end sides from the both. Then the open part just tuck inside, so make sure air should not go out, and we'll place this into the baking tray for 30 minutes. Grease it with egg yolk. Now keep it this for 30 minutes aside, so it will get fermented again. The chapati which we made, so put the paneer stuff over it and place the another chapati over to it and tuck it well from the end. Now to make, I have make flower shape bun. So for that I made using fork or knife you can make the shape and press it with fingers, so you will get this shape. And this is also greased with egg yolk. And after 30 minutes we are going to bake these both the bread bun. Now bake in oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I'm going to move out it. Delicious aroma is spread in the room. You can also bake the paneer stuffed bun in kadai or pan. So you need to change the both sides. So now I am going to enjoy my breakfast. So let me know if you like this video. Please add comment in comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell button to watch new videos. And enjoy the breakfast. Bye bye. Take care.
Yummy!